Hello, my name is Zach, and I like to backpack around the world. Today, I'm about to check out of my apartment here in Guadalajara. However, I am not leaving Guadalajara. I am going to be staying in Guadalajara for a while, for another month. Actually, I'm not even leaving this apartment complex. I'm just moving downstairs. But they gotta get the room ready, so I'm gonna have to be without a place to stay for about 2-3 hours, which is fine. They gotta do what they gotta do to clean up that apartment. So, but anyways, yeah, Guadalajara. It was a good choice on my part. Yeah, I guess I can say it now. The girl that I've been seeing, her and I are now... This is the apartment complex that I am staying in here in Guadalajara. All right, I just checked out of my apartment. Now to figure out what I'm gonna do for the next 2 or 3 hours. I guess just walk around, get something to eat here in Guadalajara. Once again, I'm in front of the Guadalajara Cathedral with a lot of construction going on over here. I guess I'm gonna eat here. Might as well. All right, I just checked into my apartment. When I decided I wanted to stay longer in Guadalajara, I asked my Airbnb host if she had any monthly deals. And she said not for the particular room that I was in, but a bigger room. And she said it would be around 8,400 pesos, which is about $375. And she made it sound like it was negotiable. She said right after that message, is that price okay? So me trying to stay in Mexico as long as possible, I negotiated. I asked her if she could bring it down to 8,000. She agreed, we had a deal. So 8,000 from July 13th until August 13th. So that's about $11 a night for this room, and it is bigger than my last room. Let's go ahead and check it out. Here's the bed. This room has a couch. I really wanted a couch if I'm gonna stay longer here in Guadalajara. So I'm happy this room has a couch, television, ceiling fan, table, refrigerator, a sink, I guess like a oven, microwave, condiments, hot sauce, hell yeah. Let's check out the bathroom. Yeah, that's my room. Pretty good deal for $11 a night. That's not soft. So I'm watching this anime movie, Spirited Away. Pretty good so far. I'm only 7 minutes in, but I'm trying to figure out what I am going to do while I'm in Guadalajara for my videos, because I'm going to be here for a while. So they do have this book for me. I could do some of this. I think that's blocked off though. I could go on a tequila tour. There is an actual town here in Jalisco called Tequila. So it's very well possible that I could go there for a day or two. I know I'm paying for this room as well, but since I negotiated, maybe I can spend what I negotiated on a room for a night or two in Tequila, Jalisco, Mexico. All right, well, my name is Zach, and I do like to backpack around the world. I guess I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Nothing else to really talk about or tell y'all. I'm gonna watch this movie. Be sure to subscribe to me. Thank you to Ashley Moore and Steve Medell for contributing to my channel. I very, very much appreciate it. I probably should say that in the beginning of the video, so the audience retention will at least see that part. But maybe next video. All right, my name is Zach, and I do like to backpack around the world. Buenas noches from Guadalajara. Adios. Wait a minute, this video is not quite over yet. I just ordered Uber Eats. I got some sushi. Let me show off the sushi before I end this video. From Uber Eats. They had a 2-for-1 special. I think it's like a 3-cheese sushi. I never heard of something like that before, but and I don't understand why sushi places, they have salmon in one dish only and then in nothing else. I don't understand that. That's a waste of salmon. There's only one item on their whole menu that had salmon in it, and it was spicy, and it was probably too spicy for me. So, anyways, let's go ahead and show what I got. Looks pretty good. Yeah. All right, well, I'm gonna enjoy my anime movie, and then, yeah, this video is over.